Munmu the Great, bastiment tal-Forzi Armati tal-Korea ta' Isfel li l-ħadd filgħodu daħal fil-port il-kbir b'għadd ta' persuni li kienu qegħdin jitilqu mill-Libja. Il-bastiment daħal Malta fit-8 ta' filgħodu u fuqu kien hemm 99 persuna. Dawn telqu minn Tripli s-Sibt għal ħabta tal-erba ta' wara nofsinhar.
It was a pretty long trip. It was about 15 hours. We got out there at around 4 o'clock. We first of all got onto a small boat and we had to jump from one boat onto another boat onto the Korean warship. It was quite a safe trip. It was all right.
Fost dawn kien hemm 4 Maltin, numru ta' persuni mill-Korea ta' Isfel, 18 il-Libjan, 7 Taljani u 45 Ingliż. Persuni oħra kienu ġejjin mill-Ġermanja u mill-Irlanda. Ma setax jonqos li mal-wasla Malta jesprimu s-sodisfazzjon.
I'm very happy. I'm over the moon. I'm very thankful to everyone. I'm very thankful to the Koreans. I'm very thankful to the British Embassy. I'm just happy to be out there right now.
I feel safe. I feel happy now. I feel happy. I feel safe. I'm happy that my children are safe. They're going to back to school, but I still worry about my friends back there and the situation. It's not. The situation is not right.
At the moment, the situation in Libya is actually it's quite bad. It's really scary. We were terrified at the beginning, but we're happy that we're safe now here.
Bħal persuni oħra li waslu Malta fl-aħħar jiem xejn ma kellhom rakkod feliċi ta' dak li għaddej fil-Libja.
Terror. Every day, all you're hearing is boof, boof, boof. All you're hearing is explosions and people bombing on people. It's really hard to live in.
At the moment, the situation in Libya is very bad. It's very scary, you know. I can't describe it. I'm very emotional, to be honest, because all what I'm thinking about now is my friends and family I left there.
And the intensity is just getting bigger and bigger every day. Power cuts are getting longer, intensity of fights are getting larger.
Minkejja dan uħut minnhom sostnew li ma jdumux ma jerġgħu jirritornaw lura lejn il-Libja.
Maybe. I wish, you know, if things are settled and things will get better, maybe, yeah.
I still have my parents over there. They decided not to leave, but I had to leave this for work, but eventually I will go back. Hopefully by then things will be better.